thing. Each project has had a good 4-5 years of travel behind it. For instance, if you take the '83 World Cup, it's a 4-year-long dream that's finally come to be true. And same goes with the NTR biopic as well. It's a 3-year-long dream that Mr. Vishnu worked on that finally got onto the floors. It feels very great, very gratifying that patience pays off always. And the most important thing is holding on to it through the journey, because nothing comes easy and it's very easy to get demotivated. There are a lot of people to pull you down, but in all that, holding on to it is the biggest thing.
సో చాలా చిన్నగా మాట్లాడినా నిజంగా మంచి విషయాలు చెప్పారు. సో పేషెన్స్తో ఉంటే సక్సెస్ డెఫినెట్లీ. అండ్ మీరు ఎలా ఎంజాయ్ చేశారు ఇన్నేళ్ల సైమా ఒక్కసారి మాతో షేర్ చేసుకోవాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను.
Good evening, everyone. Firstly, I'd like to congratulate Vishnu sir and Brinda ma'am for making Saima a brand that every actor wants to associate with. And I've been really, it's been a pleasure to be associated with Saima all these years, and here's to looking forward to another great Saima. Thank you.
తెలుగులో ఒకసారి మాట్లాడొచ్చు కదా.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. సో సైమా అంటే ఇట్స్ దట్ టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇయర్ అంటారు ఇప్పుడు. సో అంటే అలా ఒక పేరు తెచ్చుకున్నారు. అండ్ ఈ టైం కూడా చాలా మంచిగా చాలా గ్రాండ్గా ఉంటుంది అని ఐఎమ్ గోనా హోప్. యా,
అంత చక్కగా తెలుగు మాట్లాడితే మీరు చక్కగా చప్పట్లు కొట్టచ్చు కదండి. నేను యాక్చువల్లీ జనరల్గా తడుముకుంటూ మాట్లాడతారు కదా, అలా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేశాను, కానీ మీరు చాలా ఫ్లూయెంట్గా మాట్లాడారు. సూపర్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో ఫస్ట్ టైం కలిసినప్పుడు చాలా బాగా తెలుగు మాట్లాడారు కదా, ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడతారు. సో షేర్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ విత్ సైమా.
So firstly, I'm really happy and excited to be here today. Saima has been very special, I think, right from the time I started my acting journey. And it was the first ever award I attended. It was the first ever award that I won as Best Debut Actress. It was, I think, the first ever award I performed at. So Saima is very special, and I think the team is also very special. So congratulations to Vishnu sir and Brinda ma'am for all these wonderful years. And just watching this AV today made me realize that I actually know this team since a very long time, and I'm associated with these awards since a long time. So it just made me, it brought back so many memories. It made me a little nostalgic, and it just made me realize that this is probably one of the most fun award functions that we've ever gone for all these years. So every year Saima is the most exciting award function that everybody wants to attend, and I think it's going to be the same this year too. So I wish them many congratulations for all the various other things also that they're doing. So many congratulations to Saima team, and all the very best, and I think we're all going to rock. Thank you.
ఒకసారి షేర్ చేసుకోండి.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్లో మాట్లాడబేకు, సారీ ఐఎమ్ మిక్సింగ్ టూ లాంగ్వేజెస్ ఆనెస్ట్లీ.
బేకు అంటే కన్నడ కదా?
కరెక్ట్. సో ఏం లాంగ్వేజ్లో మాట్లాడాలి? కరెక్ట్.
Correct.
Oh, correct. Thanks. So forget the language. I think all the languages which are part of Saima are amazing. And congratulations Vishnu and Brinda for having this amazing award functions. You guys are taking South Indian cinema to some really amazing level. And I think I'm really happy to be a part of it since a long time, yes. And Saima has given me my first award, and the only award. So I'm really happy that I am always going to remember that first award of mine in my life, which is given to me in Saima. And seeing the AV, even I felt very nostalgic. You know, every time we go to Saima, wherever it is, we meet together, and you know, we wait for this one award function wholeheartedly, and it's amazing to be here yet again.
Thank you so much.
Saima is my favorite award function. It's so special, and the two people behind it have made it this. You know, Vishnu and Brinda. It wouldn't have been like this if it wasn't for them. They treat everyone who come for the award function like family, and like throughout the year we speak about how well the award function took care of us, and we had so much fun and stuff. And thank you, Vishnu Brinda, for making it like the most memorable experiences of our life. And yeah, and to talk about the Short Movie Awards, it's such a great initiative taken by you all, such a good platform for these people to show their talent. So I'm very happy to be a part of this. They gave me my first dance performance. They came and told me, you actually dance well, you know, you should be dancing. So they're always supporting the underdogs and helping people like me. So very special, and congratulations. And I'm sure it's going to be bigger and better. And it has been, right, in the last 7 years. So yeah, thank you for having me here.
It's indeed a pleasure for Pantaloons to partner with the 7th edition of SIMA. Over the years, SIMA has become a prestigious and coveted platform to recognize the talent of the film fraternity of South India. Pantaloons is India's leading family fashion destination, offering latest fashion and trends across men, women, kids at very affordable prices. Pantaloons collections comprises of casual, ethnic, formal, party, and activewear. We also have a range of fashion accessories, including handbags, shoes, fashion jewelry, and more. At present, Pantaloons has over 284 fashion destinations spread across 132 towns and cities in the country. South India is a very important market for us, as we have 69 stores across Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Kerala. And this association will definitely help us enrich our presence across the region. As the fashion partner, Pantaloons will add glamour and style to SIMA 2018 by styling the leading celebrities of South Indian film fraternity. Our collaboration with the biggest cinematic property of South India will indeed be the perfect fusion of fashion and films. Lastly, please don't forget to check out our latest collection of the festive season, available across all our stores in Hyderabad. Have a great evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. So, alage ikkadiki.
Firstly, I would like to congratulate all the winners today for the Short Film Awards. నేను కూడా షార్ట్ ఫిల్మ్స్ చేసుకుంటూనే ఫీచర్ ఫిల్మ్ స్టేజ్కి వచ్చాను. సో అందరికంటే ముఖ్యమైన మూమెంట్ ఇవాళ షార్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ మేకర్స్కి. ఇట్ గివ్స్ దీస్ గైజ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్. Moments like this tells a filmmaker, gives them a pat on the back to go forward boldly into the film industry and do what they want. Coincidentally, my previous film was also about short filmmakers. So all my love and support is with you guys, and I thank SIMA. I thank SIMA for hosting it and making us feel important, because we are important. We are the future for the industry, and today is your day. Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. సో అలాగే 6 ఏళ్ల నుంచి సైమాతో ఉంటూ సైమాని దిగ్విజయంగా ముందుకు నడిపిస్తున్నారు. సో ఒక్కసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పట్లతో రాణా దగ్గుబాటి గారిని కూడా పిలిచేద్దాం సైమా గురించి ఆయన ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ ఏంటో షేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి.
ఇప్పుడే బృందా గారు చెప్పినప్పుడు ఇది 7వ సంవత్సరం అన్నారు సైమాకి. సో టైం ఎంత ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్తుందని ఇప్పుడే అనుకున్నా, అంటే వయసు కూడా వచ్చేస్తుందని అర్థమవుతుంది. But congratulations Brinda, congratulations Vishnu. It's a brand that you all have built, and I'm very happy that I was associated right from the beginning. Nenu oka award host ga na debut chesindi SIMAto, so I'm very grateful that you all have made me a host of awards, and I'd like to host many more SIMAs if you all allow me to. Yes, thank you. And to all you short filmmakers, indake Tarun Bhaskar garu maatadaru. He's a short filmmaker who now drives the flag of Suresh Productions forward, and I'm just hoping there'll be many, many more of you who can make some amazing films, tell some amazing stories, and we're all willing to partake and be part of those stories. So congratulations to every single one of you for being here, and congratulations SIMA for putting this together. Thank you.